How to enable Steam Guard mobile authenticator on phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can enable the Steam Guard mobile authenticator very easily. So let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to enable the Steam Guard, you need to open up the Steam Guard Steam application. Basically you can easily find it on Google Play Store. After that, you may just simply install and get into your account by signing in or logging into your account. So in order to enable the Steam Guard, you just need to simply tap on this shield option on the very middle at the bottom. You can see shield option here. So when you tap on it, you can see it says add an authenticator, which means just need to tap on that add authenticator to enable the Steam Guard authenticator. Just tap on add authenticator. So here you need to enter the code that they send into your email address. After that, they'll give you a code of which you need to keep safe because you might need it on future. So you just need to write it down and keep it safe. That code will let you recover your account if you lose to it. And if you lose your device, if you delete this app without first transferring authenticator, you just need to save this code just in case. After that, simply tap on done. After that, you may just simply scan a QR code in order to sign in from Steam. So therefore, that is how you basically enable a Steam Guard authenticator onto your Steam. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.